Hi guys, welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing the Diploma in Watershed Management. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of consulting service, and if you have any query related to your career, or if you have any doubt in your career chosen, so you can contact us anytime for making you comfortable, right? Right now here we're discussing the course of Diploma in Watershed Management. So mode is given here, which is open distance learning. Open distance means you can do your preparation at your home and you need not to go anywhere. You have to just go for the exams. This course comes under the School of Agriculture, and the duration of this course is 1 year. So minimum you have to spend this course for 1 year, and medium is English and Hindi as well. So you can do this course in both languages, whichever you want to go for it, and which you are comfortable in it. Specialization is watershed management. Now the next one is description and the opportunities given here. So after job opportunities, you can find the job opportunities of passing of this course. Eligibility is only 12th pass, and fee structure is 12,000 rupees. And the registration fee is only 300 rupees. For program coordinator, you can contact for this, and you can contact directly from us, where number is given here, and we will refer you to directly contact us. And regional centers and the study centers as well given here. So according to your study, you can see the details about your centers. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries related to the anything, you can contact us anytime. We will provide any type of information. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.